FHA SFR Handbook, Introduction Part, page 2. AVM, in lieu of an appraisal. For several reasons, it was decided to keep the appraisal requirement, but expand the appraiser's scope of work in what was called a comprehensive valuation package, CVP. The CVP consisted of 3 documents: the appraisal report, a completed valuation condition checklist, VC sheets, and a notice to homebuyer form. The latter was not well received by appraisers and was dropped within a few years. The VC sheets were also eventually eliminated, but the requirements to report the conditions remained the same. The first part of this text is devoted to conditions the appraiser should note and analyze. A copy of the VC sheets is in the appendix for information only. Throughout the 2000s, appraisers and FHA staff often complained that requirements were too difficult to follow. Even though requirements were basically set forth in the old handbook, there had been many amendments by way of lender letters. Some of the lender letters were as old as a decade. There clearly was a need to develop a new handbook to 1. Consolidate origination requirements. 2. Consolidate appraisal policies. 3. Revise and clarify many issues. 4. Standardize terms. The resulting document is Handbook 4000.1, which becomes effective September 14, 2015. The text materials are extracted directly from the handbook. The entire handbook consists of some 807 plus pages, only about 1/4 of which are included as areas of interest to appraisers. The instructor will not be able to cover all the material in the text, but will highlight those items of special concern. The remainder of the text may be used as a reference. Of equal importance to appraisers in the appraisal report and data delivery guide. An extract of the guide is also included in the appendix for reference purposes during and after the class. It walks through the UR/AR step by step and is possibly more valuable to the appraiser than is the handbook. Extra note: complete copies of the handbook and the appraisal report and data delivery guide are available at www.columbiainstitute.org.